there's nothing to get from fostering but a few successes and a lot of heartache. So whoever goes into fostering expecting to take something from it, other than it being a totally altruistic take, like, oh my God, I helped someone else.
Yeah.
You're in it for all the wrong reasons because you will just suffer for it. There is nothing that you can get from fostering but the feeling of, oh my God, I helped a child, I helped their family, I helped them reunite themselves, and for just a brief moment in our lives, we stepped into the heartache of someone else's. Mm-hmm. And it's a beautiful experience because you get to touch the intangible. You get to move in and feel someone else's pain, experience someone else's loss. You are essentially taking care of their most prized possession, something that was taken away from them, either voluntarily or by force, but it was taken away from them. And in you swoop with all your high and mighty, I'm going to take care of this child in a better way. And then you break that down and you be like, I am not high or mighty. I am not better than this person. I just made different choices. So you get to taste their pain. And then you swoop out of it. And I can't find the word to best describe what it is, but it is.
Ġifieri il-high point huwa dak li immaġinajt li huwa simili ta' li kienet ħossommi li l-altruizmu li tara xi tibgħati u li inti mill-kapaċitajiet u mill-pożizzjoni li għandek f'ħajtek u minn int tista' tgħin. Ettik sens kbir ta'
komunità. Inti tħoss li qedtejn dawk li vera għandhom bżonn għajnuna. Minn flok li tajt donazzjoni, jew mort imexxi l-klib ta' Noah's Ark, jew mort ngħin il-dak, imexxi jew iġor jinnaf the shopping or something like that. You have taken it above and you have truly helped the community in ways that they need to be helped because these children need the support that we had growing up.
Mela tlaqna?